Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, guys. And if you need to find the relay for the vacuum pump, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We will explain where it's located, how to test relays. That way you can find out if it's working or not. And we will explain if the vacuum pump is still not working, what else it could be. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of money and time. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And Dodge Charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. And you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So where we have the vacuum pump relay now, you will guys have two fuse boxes, but this is the main fuse box for the engine compartment. You will have one more fuse box. We'll have a special video where it's located. You can see right here and here you have two notches. You need to press those in. When you do that, you pull it out, you flip it that way, and here you have the relays and the fuse numbers. The relay, guys, that we need to check now for vacuum pump, which one it is. Now we are looking at relay number 25. I'm talking about that relay right here. That relay is for the vacuum pump. Now, how do you guys test relays? We are going to put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test a relay in the description of the video below, how to test fuses, and you can learn how to do it yourself. It's not complicated at all, and it will take you less than a minute probably to test your relay and find out if it's good or bad and if that's causing the problem. If you need to buy replacement ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below as well. Another thing, if the vacuum pump is still not working and you want to know what causes that, we'll have a video how to replace vacuum pump on Dodge Charger and how to test vacuum pump as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.